Want to be an entrepreneur? Dropshipping is the easiest way to start an online business. You sell products online without keeping any inventory. Sounds crazy, right? It's simple. Here's how it works. A customer buys a product from you. You then order that product from your supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You make money on the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. Dropshipping is popular for a reason. You don't need a lot of money to start. You don't have to worry about storing or shipping products. This makes it perfect for first-time entrepreneurs. This guide will show you how to dropship on eBay using Aliexpress. You'll learn everything you need to know to start making money today. Let's get started. First, you need an eBay account to sell products. Go to ebay.com and click on Register. You'll need to create a username and password. Provide your personal information and link a payment method. Next, find products to sell on Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a huge online marketplace with millions of products. They have everything from clothes and electronics to home goods and beauty products. Best of all, Aliexpress has crazy low prices, which means more profit for you. Once you've found products, list them on your eBay store. Make sure you write clear product descriptions and use high-quality images. Price your products competitively to attract buyers. Aliexpress is the perfect dropshipping partner. They have over 100 million products from over 200,000 suppliers. You'll find what you need, I promise. Plus, Aliexpress has amazing prices. This means you can make a great profit margin. Did you know Aliexpress ships to over 200 countries? This opens up a world of customers for your business. They also offer buyer protection and secure payment options. This makes it safe and easy for you and your customers. Use the Aliexpress dropshipping plugin. It's a game changer. This plugin lets you import products from Aliexpress to your eBay store with just a few clicks. It can even automate your orders and shipping. Talk about easy. Section 4. Winning strategies for dropshipping success. Choosing the right products is key. Find products that are in high demand but low competition. Look for products with good profit margins. Check supplier ratings and reviews on Aliexpress. You want reliable suppliers with quality products. Customer service is everything. Respond to customer inquiries quickly and professionally. Address any problems right away. Happy customers lead to positive reviews and more sales. Manage shipping times like a pro. Communicate shipping times clearly to your customers. Offer tracking information for all orders. Consider using e-packet shipping for faster delivery from Aliexpress. Section 5. Ready, set, dropship. Dropshipping on eBay with Aliexpress is the easiest way to start your online business. You don't need a lot of money or experience. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful business. Remember to choose the right products, provide excellent customer service, and manage shipping times effectively. Now go out there and crush it.